Hi everyone, this is Ashutosh once again with yet another topic that is stop pleasing to others. You must heard a story of one miller with his son and one ass. This is one famous story where they want to sell their ass to the market. That's why they just want to keep that ass very fresh and very healthy. So they just decided that just go for the walk and don't sit over that this ass, and they just keep on walking. Once they keep on walking and just time pass, some people meet at the during this ride. They, they told to this miller, why you are walking and also walking with your little son. Why don't you put this son over this, as why it's already there was no right over him. So he just decided, okay, I just do the things. I just place my son over this as, and he will ride and he will continue his walk. So just they again go ahead and the walk continue, and after the some time they meet another group of the persons, and they again shout that what the thing it is, son is sitting on the ass and over us, and the father is walking. So they just told that this son, uh, don't you think it's a good thing you should walk and your father should sit over the ass? So they decided, okay, let's do this thing also, as they are listening to others and they are pleasing for the others. So they also do the same thing. Now the miller is on over the ass and the son is keep walking, and they keep walking. After the sometimes they meet another gentleman group, where the group of the some persons, and where they told that what you are doing, you have the ass and one is when your little son is walking, and the miller you are is sitting over this ass. Why don't you both are sitting on over the ass? This is a nice idea. They just take this idea and just again ride on the same towards the market, and the both seated over the ass. And when they continue their journey, they meet another set of the people, and they again listen them, and they told that you have a s and you both are the sitting over the s. You are doing injustice with this, that you have the lot of weight both of or the over this s. So why don't you hold this as on your shoulder and just walk? So they thought, okay, we will do with this also. So they just hold this as over their shoulder, and they just again continue their journey towards market. After the sometimes they meet another group of the people, and again they convince with that kind of that group of the people, and they follow the instruction which is given by them. They told that you are the person, how you are doing as is on your shoulder, and you both are the walking, you are the fool, that you don't have the time, you don't have mind also, that why you are keeping this as over your shoulder. You should be right over this shoulder, this as. So they get confused, they puzzled, and this is also get very embarrassed. And once they during this journey, they when they passes over a bridge, and this has dropped down this over this river, and he died. So ultimately, the moral of his story is this: if you continue listening the others and try to pleasing the others, one day you will lose what you have. So try to think, try to listen, but take your own, try to apply your own mind. Believe in you. You should be confident, and you should have courage and faith on your thoughts, what you are have. So don't be persuaded by the person, what they think, what they will. कहते हैं ना सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग. So don't be panic with this other person who those were thinking. अभी आप अगर सक्सेसफुल नहीं है, या यू आर जस्ट स्टार्टेड योर जर्नी, सो दे विल टीच यू, दे विल मिसगाइड यू, कुछ बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे. बट जैसे जैसे यू विल कंटिन्यूसली व्हेन you just make the progress and you achieve the various milestones, these people, those are जो आज आपको कुछ बोल रहे हैं, they again follow you and they will watch your success and they will like to be associate with you. आज वो दूर जा रहे, पहले वो दूर जा रहे होंगे और अब आपके साथ होंगे. So that's very important. You should keep your focus on your objective which you have set it, your goal, and don't listen the persons those are around you, and they just, and don't try to please the others also. Just focus on your thoughts, your aim, and it will help you a lot and you will shine in the last. So thank you a lot, and looking for your valuable feedback also. Hope you will like this video. I know there was a lot of breaks also there was, but I just want to improve it. Thank you.